Welcome to Baby Led Weaning recipe. Today we will be making a healthy and delicious banana pancake. This recipe is perfect for babies who are starting to eat solid foods. For this recipe I have taken one banana. Start by mashing the ripe banana. I am using a baby food maker and processor. Check this item link in this description. It's really good and have been using since 2 years. I believe that this item is a great investment for your little one in food making. Now transfer the mashed banana in a mixing bowl. Then add a flax egg and mix well. Check the card on how to make a flax egg. Add a quarter cup of wheat flour. Give a mix. And add 2 tablespoons of milk. Mix until everything is well combined. Add 1 more tablespoon of milk in order to adjust the consistency. Heat the iron pan over medium heat and add a small amount of coconut oil or butter. Once the pan is hot, use a spoon to draw small portions of the pancake butter onto the pan. Cover and cook for 2 to 3 minutes or until the edges are set and the surface is slightly bubbly. Now flip the pancakes and cook for additional 1 to 2 minutes or until they are golden brown and cooked through. Once the pancakes are cooked, remove them from the pan and let them cool for a few minutes before serving. You can serve these pancakes as they are or with a side of fresh fruit or yogurt. They are the great way to introduce your baby to new flavors and textures. That's it for today's episode of our Led Weaning recipe. We hope you and your little one enjoyed making and eating these delicious banana pancakes. Join us again next time for more healthy and tasty recipes for your baby. Thank you. Bye-bye.